Good morning to all traders and welcome to this year's last Market Insights video. It's Thursday today. We are going to have a quick look on the FX miners, and I've picked particularly just from a technical perspective GBPJPY, Aussie again, and also dollar against the Turkish lira. Before we go into our daily wave analysis though, let me just give you a quick summary of what's happened in the market yesterday. Well, you do know that Trump as well as the Republicans are pushing the Senate to approve the 2000 stimulus bill per Americans. Yeah, there seems to be resistance from the Senate leader, McConnell, and actually he's not really willing to approve the bill, as he seems to be mixing unrelated and partisan policies with the actual issue of the needed stimulus. Now, the thing is that Mnuchin, the Treasury Secretary, has announced that Americans started receiving money, even the $600, and this is what actually was pushing markets yesterday up as well, and that's why we keep recording fresh all-time highs. Now, the Trump administration has been very good in escalating the trade dispute with the EU, though, as we've heard recently that they've introduced tariffs related to the long-standing dispute that we've seen escalating over the past few months with Airbus, aircraft manufacturers, Boeing, and some other one, I just don't remember at the moment. So we see this escalating now, right? And it's just weird that it comes around this time, because we've just had the EU and China agreeing on a historical investment treaty, yeah. Plus, this comes only a few days before the official inauguration of the president-elect Biden, okay. Hopefully, from the January 20th onwards, we're going to see all these relationships improving, okay. Now, onto the charts. GBPJPY first. I'm expecting more upside, yeah. I'm looking at this as a triple zigzag that is going to get us up to, perhaps we can go up to the 156.50, yeah. This is the previous top I see for wave 1, okay, for wave 4, sorry, yeah, 1 and 4. So from there we can start looking for the long-term prices to start moving down. Now, last time we looked at this as an A, then we've said we were expecting another wave down to end wave B, yeah. So it looks like to me now we started moving up impulsively, and this is likely to become a multi-structural move to the upside, okay, because this is 1 and 2, and to me that is going to be 3, 4, and 5. We're going to get an A, B, and a C, or it could be a case where indeed this is, since it's Y, you know, going to be, might be some sort of ending diagonal, or if indeed ends up being a triple zigzag and not a double zigzag, because both scenarios are in play here, then the triple zigzag potentially is not going to give us an ending diagonal here. It's going to give us some sort of other corrective pattern. Either way, I'm expecting more upside. I would prefer to see the 141.27 break, yeah, in order to start considering this as a move to the upside. Let's go and have a quick look on Aussie against yen, YX, and we're expecting another move to the downside. Now, in this scenario, it looks like we are very near, yeah, complex flat. We are very near to end this move up to the 81.57 or so, because we are looking at an ending diagonal over here, okay. That seems to have a little bit more upside to end this move on the upside. We get a signal on the MACD as well, but do know as well that it could be a case where this is indeed, you know, an ABC, W, X, and Y. In this scenario, it means that we're going to get an A, a B, and a C, or it could be a case where this is an A, B, and a C, yeah, which is more likely to lead to an ending diagonal now, okay? Consider this either as an A, B, and a C with an ending diagonal going to end soon, or a W, X, and Y, which is going to give us an ABC, okay? Rather than just the ending diagonal that we're expecting now. So I'm looking for a potential move to the downside either way, for a move to the downside, or for wave B and then a continuation on the upside, okay? On the dollar against the Turkish lira, as you well know, we've had also the dollar falling, but Turkish lira, well, from the fundamental perspective, we've had the increase in interest rates the other day, a bit peculiar move. Anyway, I'm looking at this as a part of a correction in wave 4. I'm still expecting prices to move up in the medium to long term, okay? We started seeing some signal over here on the MACD being developed. There is a lot of space to proceed downwards to still, yeah. So I'm looking at the 161 extension of waves A and B here around the 6.93. Okay, so to me this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, yeah, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm looking for more downside here, and then from there, if we break lower down, then obviously this means that we need to start paying attention at the wave 1 top, yeah. Also, we need to start paying attention at where the Fibonacci extensions as well, okay? Because the next level would be the 200 Fibonacci, yeah, and that would bring us down to 5.8. Now, is this where wave 1 is or not? If not, then we're probably looking for something between that area. And in that scenario, most likely we're going to get that turning into a W, X, and Y as well. So we'll expect a deeper pullback in this scenario, a corrective pullback indeed, yeah, instead of an impulse. If we see an impulse move, it's not going to be a pullback. It's probably going to be an ABC, wave 4 down, and then all the way up. So I want to thank you for watching this last market insights video. I want to wish to all of you Happy New Year, and I hope to see you again with us over the next year and the many years to come.